Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today we will talk about Oppo Reno12 Pro. So let's get started. First of all, we will talk about this phone body. This phone body weight is a 180 gram, glass front, plastic frame, plastic back. This phone display is 6.70 inch AMOLED 1B colors, 120Hz refresh rate. This phone display resolution is 1080 x 2412 pixel and cheapest MediaTek Dimensity 7300 4nm. Memory 256GB with 12GB RAM and 512GB with 12GB RAM. OS Android 14, Color OS 14.1. So this is the latest OS. Rear camera is 50 megapixel with 1.8 aperture, telephoto lens 50 megapixel with 2.0 aperture, ultra wide lens 8 megapixel with 2.2 aperture, and front camera is 50 megapixel with 2.0 aperture. Video capture. Rear camera can capture 4K with 30 fps, HD with 3060 and 120 fps, and 720p with 960 fps. So you can get a good slow motion video. Front camera can capture 4K with 30 fps, HD with 30 and 60 fps. This phone battery is 5000 mAh battery, 80 watt charging system. Connectivity 5G, dual SIM, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, and fingerprint reader and a good sound system. So that was the video for today, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.